hardness of water. Fourth, hydrogen peroxide preparation, properties, and uses. I completed hydrogen, but I am not satisfied that you have learned it 100%. Unless you learn it 100%, I can't go to this. We have to go in an order, right? So let us review hydrogen, and this weekend again we will have exam in hydrogen only. Okay? Should we have exam again in hydrogen only? Please put in your, please say your comment. In we are looking at hydrogen once again. I don't know. We have to learn it thoroughly, 100%. So should we continue? Somebody is raising hands. What they want, they have to put a message. I am waiting. I am waiting. I have no problem. Should we continue? Yes. Now I am locking the admissions. Now I can't invest my time for admission process. Now I decided to lock the admissions. I think 71 members joined. That's enough. Hello? Hello? I disabled chat. I am checking. I will be checking. Wait. I am checking up some settings. It's not disabled. I don't know. Okay, I enabled. Now I enabled. Now, this week we are going for hydrogen because I am not satisfied that you have learned it properly. Again, the test will be in hydrogen only. And I have sent the textbook and Narayana material. My job is to cover the textbook. Your job is to do extra and ask me doubts. Okay? So we are continuing with hydrogen. This class I will be completing the entire lesson. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you will study hydrogen thoroughly. Next week exam, hydrogen only. But you should do Narayana material on your own, ask me doubts. That is the rule of the game. Okay? So here we go. Here we go. Yes. Yes, this is the lesson we have. Simple lesson only. I don't know why people are facing difficulty. A very, very simple lesson indeed. It's not like physical chemistry. It doesn't require any mathematics now. So, from the first paragraph, look at what is the simplest element present in Earth or in universe. Simplest atomic structure is there only for hydrogen. Which element makes largest number of compounds than any other element? Hydrogen. The global problem of energy and petrol shortage can be solved by using which element? Hydrogen. Position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Read these two paragraphs. Carefully observe in what way hydrogen is similar to first A group metals. There are 4 points in this. Read it carefully. Point number 1, hydrogen has NS1 configuration, 1s1 configuration in valence shell like alkali metals. Point number 2, hydrogen is similar to first A group metals because it can lose one electron like alkali metals. Point number 3, the oxides, halides and sulfides of hydrogen have similar formula as those of first A group metals. In what way hydrogen is resembling halogens? Point number 1. Like halogens which have NS2NP5 configuration having one electron less than the near noble gas, hydrogen also has one electron less than the near noble gas helium. Hydrogen resembles halogens because it can also gain one electron like halogen atoms. Hydrogen resembles halogens with respect to high ionization energy value. The 3 points are given in paragraph 2. Hydrogen is different from alkali metals in the sense it is not a metal. Its ionization energy is very high. Ionization energy is comparable to the ionization energy of fluorine, chlorine. Alkali metals don't make diatomic gases. Hydrogen is a diatomic gas like halogens. Alkali metals make ionic compounds by losing electron. Hydrogen makes covalent compounds. Hydrogen is different from halogens in one aspect, that halogens are very reactive. Hydrogen is very less reactive. Now there is a question. Why hydrogen is less reactive? Hydrogen is less reactive because hydrogen exists as a H2 molecule. You require very high energy to break HH bond. The hydrogen bond dissociation energy is highest. Unless you break the bond, it can't react. Therefore, hydrogen is less reactive. What is the specialty of hydrogen atom? Hydrogen, after losing one electron, makes a very, very small ion. Nobody can make such a small ion. It has unique behavior. So it is best to be placed in the center of periodic table. Now on the questions on occurrence. What percentage of total mass of universe is occupied by hydrogen? 70%. Question number 2. In earth crust in a combined form, what percentage of hydrogen is exists? It consists of 4%. What are the places where hydrogen exists in combined form? In water, in oceans, as carbohydrates, proteins, hydrates, and hydrocarbons in plant life. How many isotopes hydrogen has? 3. This table you should learn most. Which property of hydrogen deuterium is same? Bond length or internuclear distance. As the atomic weight increases, density increases. How many times? Atomic weight becomes double, density becomes double. Atomic weight becomes 3 times, density becomes 3 times. That is the density values you can see for hydrogen, deuterium, tritium. 0.09, 0.18, 0.27 grams per liter. You should look at these data, you should learn this data. The isotopes differ in what respect? They differ with respect to number of neutrons and atomic mass. What aspect of isotopes is same? Atomic number. Carefully observe this paragraph. Why C. Urey got Nobel Prize in 1934? C. Urey got Nobel Prize in 1934 because he separated a heavy hydrogen isotope called tritium. He got Nobel Prize for separating hydrogen isotope of mass number 2, tritium. Predominant means major part of hydrogen is protium, represented by 1H1. Why it is safe to handle tritium? Because of its low radioactivity, high half-life period. What radiations it gives? Beta particles. What are beta particles? Of electrons. Why isotopes of hydrogen have similar chemical properties? Have same electronic configuration. In what way they differ? Lighter fellows react fast, heavy fellows react slow. Why heavy fellows react slowly? Because heavy fellows bond dissociation is difficult, their bond energy is more. What happens when zinc is added to acid? It gives hydrogen gas. What happens when zinc is added to a base like NaOH? It gives hydrogen and sodium zincate. What metals can react with acid as well as with base to give hydrogen? Zinc, beryllium, aluminum. The metals which can do in both ways are called amphoteric metals. In organometer, you can see the list. What is the commercial method to prepare high pure hydrogen? Electrolysis of 99.95% hydrogen can be very pure hydrogen. 99.95% pure hydrogen can be obtained by passing electric current through barium hydroxide solution using nickel electrodes. See, this is most important. What happens when salt water is subjected to electrolysis? Electro means current, lysis means breaking. Please notice, sir, salt has NaCl, Na plus, Cl minus. The ions Cl minus and at anode will lose electron, undergo oxidation to give chlorine. The H2O water will go to cathode, there it will take electrons, become hydrogen and OH minus. So in salt NaCl, Cl minus has undergone change, water has undergone change, but Na plus has nobody. If there is no husband, what to do? According to world saying in Telugu, they have to adjust with somebody else. So if there is nobody to give electrons, Na plus will adjust with OH minus. So salt water, when subjected to electrolysis to Na plus 2 is Cl minus plus 2 water gives chlorine, hydrogen, sodium hydroxide. Mind you, chlorine is coming at anode, hydrogen is coming at cathode. What happens when methane reacts with water? You get CO2 and hydrogen. Sir, what is a common name for the mixture of CO2 H2? It's called water gas. Why it is called syngas? Because it is used in the synthesis of methanol. A modern way to get syngas, we start using sewage, sawdust, scrap wood, waste, newspaper, etc. What do you mean by coal gasification? The method of producing syngas from coal. How can you increase the amount of hydrogen in a syngas? Simply by treating it with steam in presence of FeCrO4, iron chromate. How the CO2 is removed then? The CO which became CO2 is removed by using scrubbing with sodium oxide. What is the reaction of CO and H2O gives CO2 and H2 is known as water gas shift reaction. List any 4 physical properties of hydrogen. Just wait. All of you, can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Put me in chat box. Thank you so much. Okay, sir. Sir, we are wondering about hydrogen. Yeah, we are looking at the screen. Sir, very interesting point. You take a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen and nothing happens for a million years for sure. Reaction is very slow. Boss class on 10 నిమిషాలు కాల్ చేస్తాం. Hydrogen is very unreactive because of high bond dissociation energy. Interesting question. At 2000 K, how many H2 molecules will break to give atoms? 0.081, very, very low. Even at 5000 K, what types of bond hydrogen can make? On the arrow, don't forget to write temperature 673, pressure 200 atmosphere, bottom Fe iron catalyst. How hydrogen reacts with metals? Metals react with hydrogen to give hydrides, metal hydrides. How hydrogen reacts with metal oxide, say copper oxide? Copper oxide, zinc oxide, tin oxide, all these oxides react with hydrogen to give metal and water vapor. Very, very, very important. What is vegetable ghee? How it is made? Dalda is vegetable ghee. It is made by hydrogenation of oil using nickel catalyst. Oh. Next, what is hydroformylation? Olefins are organic compounds which have C double bond C. For example, they give RCH double bond CH2. Propene. When it reacts with water gas H2 plus CO at high pressure, they react to give a compound that has CHO group called aldehyde. Alkene or olefin is converted to aldehyde when treated with water gas. Water gas, alkene, aldehyde. This conversion is called as hydroformylation reaction. If you are having hydrogen, the reaction further continues. The aldehyde reacts with hydrogen to give alcohol. Alcohol is that which has OH group. Aldehyde is that which has CHO. Alkene C double-bond-C, aldehyde CHO, alcohol CH2OH. This way. Students should practice these reactions. What are olefins? Olefins are alkenes or compounds of formula CnH2n. What happens when they react with H2 plus CO? They become aldehydes. What is an aldehyde? Organic compound with formula with a group CHO. What are olefins? Compounds with C double bond C. What are alcohols? Compounds with OH. What happens when chlorine reacts with hydrogen? Hydrogen loses electron, chlorine gains. So this process of electron gain is called reduction. The chlorine is reduced, hydrogen is oxidized. Hydrogen has a tendency to lose electron to chlorine. But if I mix hydrogen and sodium, hydrogen will take electron from sodium. So you get sodium hydride. So hydrogen can lose electron, hydrogen can gain electron. Hydrogen can also share electrons with others to give molecules like water, H2O. In H2O, hydrogen is sharing electrons with oxygen. What are the most important uses of hydrogen? You should learn them very carefully. Ammonia and nitric acid are by and large produced by using which element? Hydrogen. What do you mean by hydrogenation of oil? When oil is reacting with hydrogen, you get dalda or vegetable ghee. Why water gas is called syngas? Because CO plus 2H2 in presence of cobalt catalyst gives methanol. Because the mixture is used in the preparation of methanol synthetically, CO and H2 is called syngas. Why it is called green glue gas? Because it burns with glue flame. So hydrogen is also used in the production of HCl. Look at these 4 uses. Use number 2 here is very, very important. If you give an electric arc and break hydrogen molecule into atoms, the atoms want to recombine rapidly. When they recombine rapidly, the atoms of hydrogen give H2 molecule and a lot of heat energy. So much heat energy is produced around 4000 K. Anything can melt and can be welded. So this instrument is called atomic hydrogen torch. What is the future promise of rocket fuel in space research? Hydrogen is the future promise because it makes no noise, no pollution. Why the hydrogen is better than petrol, diesel or electric source? Because it gives very high energy with no noise and no pollution. What are hydrides? Compounds made by hydrogen with other elements. How many hydrides are there? Ionic, where hydrogen is losing, gaining electrons. Covalent hydrides, where hydrogen shares electrons. And metallic or non-stoichiometric hydrides, where they don't have a definite formula. Now, what are the 2 important things of ionic or saline hydrides are given by first A group metals, alkali metals, lithium, sodium, potassium. Which hydrides have covalent nature? Lithium, beryllium, and magnesium. In fact, beryllium, magnesium are so much covalent nature that they are polymers. What is the wonderful idea of hydrides? The hydrides in solid state don't conduct current, but in liquid state, they conduct current. Hydrogen is liberated at positive terminal, that is anode, in the electrolysis of sodium hydride. What is sodium hydride? A hydride made by sodium and hydrogen. What type of hydride it is? Ionic hydride. Why ionic? Metal loses electron, hydrogen takes. What is the main use of hydrides? If I put a hydride in water, immediately I get hydrogen. So it is a ready source of hydrogen. Which hydride is least reactive with water is lithium hydride. What is the significance of lithium hydride? Lithium hydride is used in the manufacture of lithium aluminum hydride using AlCl3. Lithium aluminum hydride 1 gram 13,000. It is a powerful reducing agent. Very, very expensive. Also, lithium hydride is used to make lithium borohydride. Covalent hydrides are made by hydrogen with which group elements means